Consider this very simple chemistry question. Brass and bronze are both metallic alloys. Which of the following constituents is common to both alloys? This is JAM 1978 question 20, chemistry. So we have option A as tin, B zinc, C copper, D lead, and E aluminum. The correct answer to this question is C. So brass is an alloy. So what do you mean by alloy? Generally when elements combine with one another, it's either a metal combined with a non-metal. That's how it's mostly happen. So to form a compound, or a non-metal combined with another non-metal to form a compound. Let me write it like this: metal plus metal will give us compound. So at times metal plus non-metal will still give us non-metal plus another non-metal will still give us compound. But what happens when a metal combine with another metal? So that will give us alloy. That's what we call alloy. So while sometimes too metal will combine with non-metal, that will still give us alloy. So it depends. So but mostly when metal combine with metal, we form alloy. Metal do not combine with metal to form compound. No. So when metal combine with metal, they form alloy, and this alloy is not a compound, it's a mixture. So it means the combination is not a chemical combination, it's a physical combination. They mix together to produce alloy. So they mix together intimately in such a way that we can also separate them like that, but we can use physical means to separate them. So that's why we call it mixture. Now we have so many alloys, but the common ones, let me just give you the common ones here. So brass is one of them. Brass is made up of copper and zinc. So copper is the solute, while zinc is the solvent inside here. So bronze, so don't you will agree with me, sorry, you don't be surprised that I said copper is the solute while this is the solvent. So because this mixture is a homogeneous mixture and it leads to solution. So it is not only liquid that can form solution. So we have solution of solids too. When two solids mix together, they can form a solution. It is still a homogeneous solution. Now, bronze is made up of copper and tin. That's another example of alloy. Then we have steel. Steel is also very common. This is made up of iron and carbon. Iron and carbon. So that is steel. Then another one is duralumin. This is made up of aluminium, magnesium, manganese, and also copper. Copper is also present inside duralumin. So this duralumin, this is the substance that they use in producing aeroplane body. We can't use iron to produce aeroplane body because it will be dense. So we need something light that can float in the air. So that is why we use duralumin. Duralumin is not very heavy in air. So that's why helicopter and aeroplane can fly and float in the air. Then we still have zinc amalgam. Zinc amalgam. Anytime you hear the word amalgam, amalgam is an alloy that is made up of mercury. Mercury must be present and one other element. So in zinc amalgam, the other element is zinc. So that means over here, we have zinc and mercury. So mercury is constant, okay? It has to be there. So we still have sodium amalgam too. Sodium amalgam. So this contains both sodium and mercury. So from the electrolysis of brine using mercury electrode, that's when we always produce mercury sodium amalgam. So these are some of the common alloys that we have. So thank you for viewing this. God bless you.